grown so much. I told you not to visit me at work, Grandma. Okay, I'll just go over this way. Oh my God. Cake. Excuse me, ma'am, I need to restock these. Well, I need this cake. Cake. Another cake section. Like how it's chubby cheeks when you were a little fella. Where's the cake? Cadence, they got some TVs. Cadence, shining armor. I'm busy grocery shopping with baby Flurry. Oh my God. Ugh. Oh no, I spilled some cake everywhere. Did I hear cake? Every pony, get out of my way. Oh my God, it's Cupcake Princess. I've always wanted to try and eat her. Okay. B4. It's not doing anything. Open up. I need my Cupcake Princess opened up. Lena, help me. I'm busy, Celestia. Now, this one is called Berry Blossom Delight. That's it. Now, this one is called... Ha! Oh my God. I want stuff in the vending machine too. Now, are these organic or are they like... Ma'am, they're just coconuts. Yeah, but are they like bananas? Cause I love it. Hey, look at that dumb pair of bananas. Banana? Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Look at me, man! I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Look at me, man! Banana power, banana power, banana power, banana power, banana power, banana.
Okay, so there's always a gem in the discount section. Ew. Oh my gosh, these are all out of fashion. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Wait. My Celestia, it's so perfect. The perfect gem. This gives me a positively generous idea. I heard you said banana. Yeah, a banana. The banana's right next to the shady diva hat I want. Oh, we must break these bananas free. Well, let's do it now then. Okay, that's great. You can do that. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! There are bubbles in there! Oh my gosh! I'll totally help. Fantastic. Shining armor is supposed to be helping me find my despair heart. I think there was more stuff falling from the breaking. Cadence, you know I love you. Shining armor, what the heck? Let's open this vending machine.